In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from multiple files in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We're going to take documents and images from your computer and combine them into one clean, shareable PDF. This is perfect for reports, project packs, or anything that needs to live in a single file. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. If Acrobat opens to a recent file or an existing PDF, that's fine. You don't need to close anything to get started. Next, look to the left side of the Acrobat window and click All Tools. From the tool library, choose Combine Files. This opens the Merge workspace, where you'll gather everything you want to include and preview how it will come together. In the center of the Merge workspace, click the blue Add Files button. A file picker will appear. Browse through your folders and select all the documents and images you want to merge. You can select multiple items at once. On most systems, you can hold Shift to select a range or Control or Command to pick individual files. Acrobat supports many common formats, including PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint slides, Excel sheets, and popular image types like JPEG and PNG. When you've made your selections, click Open to load them into the preview. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to tidy up the order. In the preview area, each file appears as a thumbnail. Click and drag these thumbnails left or right to set the exact sequence you want, from first page to last. This order determines how the pages will flow in the final PDF, so it's worth a quick check now to avoid rework later. If you spot a file you added by mistake, select its thumbnail and click the trash can icon to remove it. You can also press the Delete key on your keyboard. This only removes the file from the queue. It won't delete anything from your computer. When everything looks right, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Pick a target folder you'll remember. Give your combined document a clear, descriptive name and click Save. Acrobat will compile the selected files in the order you set and create a single PDF you can share, print, or archive. A quick tip as you wrap up. The size of your finished PDF depends on the content you merged, especially large images. If you plan to email the file, keep an eye on its size and store it in a cloud location if needed. And that's it. You've created a polished PDF from multiple files in Adobe Acrobat Pro.